So we are definitely on a pursuit to make our life a little simpler this summer. It gets really hot here, 110 degrees, and animals need a lot of water. And you just can't get anything done or leave for a weekend if you had to, because they need water. So we have gone ahead and installed
Yeah, so these are from
automatic cow waters.
yeah, so these are off Amazon also. We love Amazon out here in the middle of nowhere. They deliver to us. UPS, thank you UPS and USPS.
Right. Well, yeah, because even if you had to go to, let's see, the farm store for us, it's over an hour away each direction.
Yep.
So we try to avoid it at all cost.
Yeah, so these are from Dare-O-Matic, and we'll show you the box that they come in, but they're just a very simple
Dare-O-Matic.
Dare-O-Matic farm tank
Let's see
float
if I
valve.
can. Dare-O-Matic farm tank float valve.
And all they do is they have a piece of styrofoam in them, and once the styrofoam raises up, it shuts off the valve to the water. And you can see these troughs are pretty full up.
And the cool thing that we did on our farm is that we brought irrigation all the way out here to the cows. So
Yep.
we brought in a frost-free spigot here, and the
Hi,
cows
Cookie.
say it's pretty awesome. So he's dedicated 2 hoses, bought a splitter valve there, and this has to stay on, your water valve, on both of these, obviously, the chicken and the cow
Yeah,
waterer.
that's about the only danger this poses is that if a hose breaks, well, your water is going to run. But
Right? We've had this on here for a week, and we thought we'd come back and talk about it because we wanted to make sure that it actually did work the way that we wanted it to.
yeah,
Hi, Cookie. Are you saying hi to Tom?
right there.
But he's bought 2 new hoses, the connector, and the Dare-O-Matics. These have been on here for about a week, and
Hey, Cookie.
they are working perfectly.
Yeah, working great. No, water's not going in gently. They're completely 100% off.
Yeah, and so again, this is a float valve system of some sort, but you're saying there's styrofoam or some type of foam in it?
Yep, yeah, there's a big chunk of foam on a hinge, and as the water level goes down, the foam drops and comes off the valve and it lets water in. Just it's basically everything's based on a toilet valve. So that's what we got here, and I
Yeah.
didn't think it would work this good, but it works. I mean, I'm happy with this. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
I'm happy too because usually in the heat of the summer we have 3 troughs here, and they drink them down about probably a third to a halfway down every day. So you're out here every day giving them fresh water, but I mean I'm still gonna have to clean the algae out of these probably once in a while, and make sure it's not getting green. But they go through it enough now that it's not happening.
Yeah,
There's our little Cookie. She's gonna be a year old.
Cookie's very happy. Cookie says she loves these valves.
She loves fresh water,
Always gives her fresh water.
right? Tom, how much do you think these cost on Amazon?
I believe they're around $26 to $28 each.
And then we had to buy new hose and a little splitter valve. But I mean, everybody's application would be different,
Yep,
whether they're doing one trough. You could do a huge 1,000-gallon trough if you wanted
yep.
to. That's what the farmers around us do, the cattle farmers. But we already had these, so this is how we're set up.
Yeah, so one thing I did do on these valves is they come with a different orifice for these run naturally at 300 gallons per minute if you allow them to, but I put in the small orifice that it limits it to 150 gallons per hour, and for us that's perfect. So I'll show you that the parts that come in the kit and the box.
And I love it that Oreo is the female and she's up on top of T-Bone.
Yeah, Oreo's confused.
She's feeling a little frisky. We'd
Yeah.
like her to have her heat there and get pregnant. She's still nursing Cookie here. It's been a year. All right. Okay, well, let's show them the parts and pieces. All right, here's the package that the farm float tank valve came in. And here are some parts and pieces. And what are you going to tell us today, Tom, about this?
So anyway, these are the orifices I was talking about, and they have different size holes in them. And the one I installed was a 150 gallon per minute orifice, which is smaller than this one. So it only allows 150 gallons per minute to flow out. of that valve.
Okay, so the size of the hole in that little valve, I guess it's a valve, what
This
you're
is an
calling
orifice.
orifice, that determines how much water will be able to be allowed to come out per
Yes,
minute.
and that's all we needed. All these other brackets that kit comes with is for a steel stock tank. They would hang over the edge.
Oh, I got you. Ours came with ones for the
The Rubbermaid or who Tupperware, whoever makes those black plastic tanks.
right.
Yeah, so it came with those brackets, and that you saw they just screw into the top. But if you have a steel tank, they come with the brackets for that too.
That's excellent. Well, we appreciate you installing those.
Well, you're welcome.
So there's no project too big or small for this guy, Tom. And we certainly appreciate him doing this for us and giving us a demonstration of these ways we are giving our automatic chicken water and automatic cow waters. So anyway, the links will be below here and you can check them out on Amazon, what we purchased. So make your life simpler, make it easy. Thanks, Tom.
Hey, you're welcome. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.